To seal these seams properly, I'm using glazing putty. First, I apply an ample amount of glazing putty to ensure the seams are properly sealed. I don't wet the putty yet, as that prevents any moisture from getting between the putty and the surface, which could hinder proper adhesion. Instead, I wet my finger with water and soap to press the putty into the corner. Now we can moisten the putty with water and soap. Using the spoon, we go through the corner and remove any excess putty. Moisten the putty once more. Then use your finger to smoothly flatten everything. In short, those are all the steps. But now we're going to replace the black putty. I'll flatten the raised edges of the zinc to enhance the appearance of the caulked area. Next, I'll repair the wood rot. I won't be showing you that today. But if you're interested in learning, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can teach you those steps too. I'm also sealing this seam because the space between the glazing bead and the zinc is too small for ventilation. This could lead to problems due to capillary action. Essentially, water is drawn upward into the glazing bead, causing the paint to peel off at the top. The space between this glazing bead and the sill is sufficient, so I won't seal it. There is too much pressure on these seams. Therefore, always seal them with glazing putty and not with acrylic sealant. If you want to learn how to caulk large seams, watch the video that appears in the middle. Please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more helpful tips. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll teach you how to caulk large seams.